Hey, Hamed Yazdi here from Boulder, Colorado, and I'm here in my parents' basement walking through about 3 inches of water. You can see down here, it's been raining for 3 days straight, school's canceled for 2 days. It's still raining really hard outside, so we don't know how much worse this is going to get. Everything's wet, our clothes, we had our winter clothes here in suitcases. We were trying to get everything out with buckets going up, and that was kind of useless, and we just kind of, we got really exhausted doing that. And what I want to make this video is, what do you do in a situation like this? We could be all upset that, look at all the damage that's done here. What do we do? But, we're all, I feel that it's best in a situation like this, the number one thing you can do to help you change your attitude, your outlook, and keep an upbeat, positive attitude is to just be grateful for what you do have. A lot of people could focus on the bad things, but seriously, when you think about everything you do have, it's so much more valuable and so much more to be grateful for than to be upset about. This whole house is still here. Yeah, the basement's a little bit wet, but it's an exciting time. It's an interesting experience, a great way to connect all the families together, helping each other out, and I'm grateful for that, because if this hadn't happened, I wouldn't have been here with my family right now in this moment, enjoying time together. In fact, we're going to try to make the most of it. I think we're going to make some popcorn and watch a movie while we just wait and see what happens next. So it's going to be a fun time. So just keep in mind that everything happens to everyone. These situations, maybe, it doesn't have to be water, but rain can symbolize, a difficulty you're having in your business, your life, your relationship, whatever. It rains on everyone, okay? It rains on the poor, it rains on the rich, it rains on the happy, it rains on the depressed people. The difference is what you do about it. Okay, that's something I learned from Jim Rohn. He says, it doesn't matter what happens, what matters is how you react to what happens. And so consider that. The event that happens is the same for everyone. The question is, what are you going to do about it? And that will ultimately depend on your attitude. And the beautiful thing about attitude is it's completely your choice. I choose to be happy here and focus on what I'm grateful for, as opposed to some people choosing to be upset about all the things that got canceled today and all the weather issues and whatever other things. And I'm sure that a lot of those are very valid. I'm sure a lot of people had a much harder time with this than I did, with just the events that happened for them. But attitude is what changes everything, and that's what's going to help us get through this with a positive attitude and have fun with it too. Make the most of it. So God bless. Remember that next time you're going through a tough time in your life. Take care.